coming across. Look at that initiation. I thought he was going to go right around there.
My hobbies would be drifting, of course, probably the best hobby. Drifting, it's basically ballet with a car, or figure skating with a car. You're going in as fast as you can, and then snapping the car sideways, braking traction, and then accelerating around the corner in a graceful manner. Going into the wall corner can be a little scary. You try not to think about it too much, because if you overthink, you'll end up overcorrecting or not understeering or oversteering, and it could be disastrous. My first drift car is a 1990 Nissan 240 SX S13 hatchback. It's probably my most fun car, probably the most reliable car I've ever owned. Even between road cars, it's lasted a lot longer. Behind me is a 97 Nissan 240 SX with a supercharged LS3. I haven't been able to drive the new car, which is probably going to scare me, not gonna lie. I'm very fortunate to live out in the country. My dad bought a big chunk of land, and he used to drive dirt bikes, so he built a track. It was pretty much the first thing he did to the house was cut down a bunch of trees and make a racetrack. And then when I was 10, I think, my grandpa gave me his old car. It was a 76 Chevelle Malibu 4-door. It was booger green with leopard print dash pads. I found drifting, that would have been in 2013, I think. A few of my buddies from local around here in the car scene, they started drifting. Miguel got a 180 and Jordan got a 240, and from then they introduced me to drifting. They had a drift day on the skid pad, and then I took my 87 Trans Am out. My biggest weakness is probably being too shy and just not being able to get myself out there. Sure, I can drive, but promoting myself to getting sponsors, getting in the limelight is really hard for me because I hate being in front of the camera. I feel more aggressive behind the wheel because usually in person I'm shy, and behind the wheel nobody can really see me and I can just express myself and have fun. I personally fight myself more than I fight the opponent that I'm battling against. Drifting helps me to break out of my shell just because I can just be out of, I don't have to have personal conversations sometimes. It gets awkward. And I can just express myself and just go out, have fun, and I don't have to worry about anything. A lot of my success has to do with family and friends. If it wasn't for family, friends, I wouldn't have my car or anything really. And the moral support is huge. Sponsors, they help tremendous amounts, so that's pretty much why I won the last 2 seasons. Goals for the future, I'd like to get into the pro level and try it out, and hopefully advance from there and get more sponsors, so then I can travel and do more drifting at different tracks and stuff, because I love drifting at different events.